Hey Internet, this is Whiskey 6 Charlie Tango 116, that's Sierra Pelona. Nice day up here, it's the end of January, I think it's the 27th of January. Kind of cold coming up here, but now that it's noon, it's nice and feels kind of perfect. Set up here with the mountain topper, 3 bands, just worked 40, 30, and 20 with this in-fed antenna here. Over there is Mount Gleason. And this whole mountain range over here is a couple other summits as well. I think that's Iron Mountain. There's a couple more in there that I'm totally spacing the name on. Snow Peak is over there. And that's over there is Magic Mountain. And I believe that's the snow-capped one over there, I believe is Baden-Powell with Kratka Ridge and a couple others right over to the right of it. Dirt bike up here, super fun. Don't think I would have wanted to take my little car, but the next stop is over there. It's Mount McDill, so not too far of a ride. There's a little dirt road that goes all the way, so we'll wrap over there, come back down the dirt road, and maybe try to do a third summit of the day over there. There's a big microwave installation up here, up the road. You probably can't see it in the video, but what's cool about it is there's an old long lines tower up there from AT&T. It's the square boxy thing right in the middle of the video. All the feed horns are still there, but if you look down at the bottom, they're not connected to anything. I just thought that was kind of neat. I always like running into long line towers. Anyways, thanks for watching.